Look, you don't need to be loud to be respected. You don't need perfect grades either. But if you're honest, you're tired of being ignored, talked over, only remembered when people need notes, and you start thinking, maybe I'm just not that type. No, respect is not a personality, it's a pattern. Today, I'll show you a simple daily system to build it, even if you procrastinate, feel burnt out, and your life feels messy. Most students think respect comes from confidence, but real respect comes from two things: consistency, standards. When your words match your actions, people trust you. When you protect your time, people value you. Respect is basically, I know who you are, and I can count on you. Now, let's build that with a simple routine. Here's the truth. If you don't respect yourself, it leaks out. You say you'll wake up early, but you don't. You say you'll study, but you delay. And slowly, you stop trusting yourself. So do this every morning, 10 minutes. Step 1, one promise. Not 10, just one. Make your bed. Drink water. Sit at your desk for 5 minutes. Your brain needs proof, not motivation. Step 2, first task lock. Before you touch your phone, do one tiny task. 1. This sets your standard for the day. Step 3, posture reset. Stand tall for 30 seconds, shoulders back. Breathe slow. It changes how you feel, and people can actually sense that. Want respect from others? Be reliable, not a people pleaser, a solid person. Here's the rule: under-promise, over-deliver. If someone asks for notes, don't say 10 minutes if you won't. Say tonight by 9, then send it early. That's how you build a reputation. Now, procrastination. Your brain avoids tasks that feel too big, so make it smaller. Do a 15-minute sprint. Set a timer. Your goal is not to finish. Your goal is to start ugly. Messy outline. Bad first paragraph. Open the slides. Starting builds identity. Identity builds consistency. Consistency builds respect. And protect your time. Use this line: let me check my schedule and I'll confirm. That sentence alone makes you look calm and mature. Respect is boundaries without guilt. The most respected person in the room is usually not the loudest, it's the calmest. So at night, do this 3-line reset. Write, what went well today? What messed me up? What's one thing I'll do tomorrow no matter what? This builds self-awareness, and that's rare. Clean one small area: desk corner, bag, floor. A clean space equals a calmer mind. A calm mind equals more control. Sleep like it matters. A tired brain becomes emotional and reactive people lose respect fast. Rule 1, speak slower. Slow voice equals control. Rule 2, stop complaining as a personality. You can be real, but don't live in victim mode. Rule 3, keep your word in tiny things. That's how trust is built. Rule 4, stop chasing approval. Respect comes from being solid, not begging to be liked. And listen, if your routine is messy right now, you're not broken. You're rebuilding, and that's brave. Start today with one small promise and keep it. That's where the respect begins. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more student self-improvement videos, and share this with one friend who needs a reset. You've got this.